Right, so here goes for another one. So we'll take all that away again. Okay, so in fact we'll start with nothing actually. I'm just looking at the news. That's just my watch history. Right, now, so we've got learn to code. You can go to that free code camp and start, and if you work your way through that free code camp, which is, I'm not being funny, but for COVID and lockdown, sorry, I've learned to JavaScript, and you'll see what's before all that if you go and have a look. So that's where I'm at now. And still to do all that. But I'll eventually get there. Slowly but surely. Baby steps all the way. Right, so first things first. So we start with nothing. As I say, Notepad++ or an HTML editor you want. So, if you want to follow what I'm doing, then we're going to have an doc type O in capitals HTML. Always start your HTML with this. HTML, a closing HTML, and inside the HTML is everything you need to put everything inside the closing HTML. So we'll have a head element, we'll have a closing head, pardon me, we'll have a title, we'll have another title, and then you're not sure, they just ask. So JavaScript, so we can have a style tag, but you can actually have a style tag, or you can link another. You can link another file, but I'll show you that later. So we've got a style tag, we've got style tag, closing style tag, and then we've got body, parentheses, right, and in the parentheses you put background, and spell colour this way, CLOR. If you don't, it won't work. That's your first mistake. So background colour, so we're going to make the body background colour blue, just so you can see it working. Okay, so you can make it any colour basically, green, blue, white. Obviously you can't make it white because it's already white, but that was just a gold, yellow. Oh, that's not how you spell yellow, Ian. So yellow, purple, basically any colour you can think of. Cyan. Oh, cyan, that's not how you spell cyan, Ian. Cyan. So any colour, as I'm saying, just so you make the background colour the element, you make the element the body. So it's basically the body we're working on here, which is here. So the body, the HTML, and then parentheses, two parentheses, and in between put background colour, and then for a value you put in blue, or as I say, whatever colour you want, yellow. Make sure you have a semicolon at the end. Don't forget your semicolon. So font family, I'll show you that in a minute. Font family, is aerial, or we can fall back in sans serif. You'll see that in a minute. In fact, if I do show you, right, so if I do a body tag, no, so if I do a body tag, we need a body tag anyway, but if we do a body tag, so this will display everything in the body tag, but basically the JavaScript's working up here with the background yellow and the font family Arial and sans serif. So if I make a paragraph like this is JavaScript at work making the body of the text sans serif or Arial, and also changing the background colour. But what I loaded this up was to make sure you get a closing P, always have a closing P. So if I take the font family, watch the screen. Watch this is JavaScript making body of the text, blah blah. So if I take that out, you'll see it's just normal text. So I'll put that back in. So font family, as you see it changing, colon Arial, comma sans space serif, and then it changes. You can do a lot with the text right enough, but I'll get to that in a minute. So you can align, text align, is it align text? I can't remember, I think it's text align, centre. See, that's what I'm talking about. If you miss your semicolon, it won't work. So it's put them in the centre, if you see. So if I take that away, so it's put background and it's put the whole thing in the centre basically. So you just change the value again, so it's right, R-I-G-H-T-E, so it's put all the text right this time, or you can put it left, or you can put it justified. I think it was justify or justified, I can't remember. No, it must be justify. So basically it's manipulating the text. So no, the reason I put this up was to show you something else. The first time I put this up, I didn't put it up right because I didn't know what I was doing, to tell you the truth. So what we done was we had an H2 closing tag. Don't do what I done, or it won't work. And then it's prices. I'm just messing the new. Okay, keep that up there. Sorry, don't move. Don't do what I done there. Prices, and then calculate total price, and then oh a minute, I closed. See, that's what I'm talking about. If you make one mistake, that's you buggered. Right, so now you're not buggered, but you can fix it, but it just makes it easier. Right, so calculate total price, and then we make a form below that. Okay, so a form element, and again a closing form. So a form element with a closing form, right? And then what we're going to do is adults, we're going to sell tickets. We're just going to kid on with selling tickets. So adults input type, as I was saying earlier on, date and all that, so type, so this time it's got to be number, and step, start at 1, oh no, start at 1, start at 1, work its way up to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, whatever, right? So adults, oh wait a minute, it's not working, it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and steps of 1, right? Or you could probably go in steps of 2 actually. 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So you've got 20 adults, blah blah blah, right? So, name equals adult, so step 2 and then name equals adult. Oh. Name equals adult, so we're just basically labeling it again, and then we put an inverted comma, no sorry, I, and then close it, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, but what we'll do is I'll change that back to 1. That was just to show you what the 1 was. Right, now I've got the same thing on the next line, but this time it's no adults, it is children. Of course. So children, oh no, sorry, Control V. So just get copy and paste, right, what I've done below, above, and just put children in there. So children, no children's, children, right? Children, and then same input, type number, step 1, name equals child, child, oh, child. I think when I done this the first time, I didn't know. Right, so 1 child, 1 adult, 1 child, right? But the first time I done this, I set it up, and I'm not being funny, but I hadn't got a clue what I was doing. I was just messing. So what I done with my first video was I didn't upload the calculation, but as I say, I didn't even know what I was doing. So I'm trying to do it again, but this time do it right, because you probably looked at the video and went, oh what, he's not finished it, you know what I mean? I don't like that myself, but other people, they don't finish it, you know what I mean? But you've just got to go on with it. But this is how I'm loading it up again, so you know exactly how to do it. So total, colon, oh wait a minute, I'll have a break line, hold on, I'm going to have a break line in there. I should actually have a break line. Maybe I should, then it's total, then it goes down there, right? So total, right, dollar sign, so it's output, so the output's going to be output name equals total, right? Then a closing output, a closing tag, a closing output tag, right? Now so the first time I didn't put the calculation in, the calculation isn't here, right? So this is how I'm making sure it is here this time. See, the last time I ran out of time, as well as not knowing what I was doing. So stick with me a minute, just there. No, that's going to stop recording. No, I don't want it to stop recording. Right, so stick with me a minute. I'm just looking for the calculation that I done. Ah, here it's here. Right, so form on input. So form. Right, so form on input equals total dot value, right, equals adult dot value as number. Oh, it's just the as number, right? Make sure that's a lowercase done uppercase and a lowercase done uppercase. If it's not, it won't work. So adult dot value as number, right? As number, right? Now, and I'll move that along a bit. So times, which is the 8, shifting 8 times 100, right? So it's £100 for a ticket, say. Oh, so plus child dot value, make sure you don't do add on, as, again, uppercase A, lowercase s, adults, uppercase A as adults, and then input type number, and she's still not doing it right. So form an input equals total dot value equals adult dot value as number times 100 plus child dot value as a number times 50. Dot value, oh wait a minute, sorry, it's me, it's not that at all, it's child value, same again, as as number plus. No plus, right. Wait a minute. Right, times 100, right? There is a plus. Plus child dot value as number times 50. Oh, too many spaces. Space times by 50. Right. Now, again, so one ticket and one ticket, right? We'll go for 2 tickets, right? 2 adults and 2 children. And obviously, what's to happen is the totals to come down here. So, see, that's what I mean with what I'm saying is I can't even mind. Right, so form on input equals total dot value equals adult dot value as number times 100. Oh, wait a minute. Aha, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute, what's what happened there? So value is number, pardon me, times 100. So that, right, so form and input total, form and input equals, well, if I not got an equals, form on input equals total dot value, wait a minute, space equals space, adult dot value is number, adult dot value is number times 100 plus child dot value is number times 50. Right, we're back to right now. Again, it's still not working, right? So we've not done something right, but that's fine, we'll figure it out. So adults input type number, we'll figure it out yet. I'll figure it out, so I will, I'll figure it out. Right, so, excuse me a minute. So. Sorry for the silence, but I'm just trying to work out how to do it again. Ah, so it's working there. So wait a minute then. So form on input. That's it, I'm doing something wrong. Equals. Oh wait a minute. Hold on. Come back. Equals total dot value. There's no spaces. Equals. Right, so I'm going to have 2 children and 2 adults, right? Right, now, how is it not working? Well, that's what I don't know. I need to come back to this. So I'm not how sure it's not working, how it's not working, sorry. But I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. So I will. I'll upload this video now and then you can do that bit, but then I'll upload another video with the rest of it. Okay, thanks for watching my latest video.